What's up, guys? Day 1, Mammoth Lakes, late September. Check it out. Such a beautiful view. Lake George. I'll be back. Just found the first spot. Plan of attack today, or right now, is a white Sierra Slammer. One of these guys. And salmon peach power bait. Stay tuned. Hopefully I get something. Hooked up on the first one.
Yeah, what is that, rainbow? Yeah, rainbow. Because there should be some Oregon fish in here too. There's still rainbow. You got one?
Yeah.
All right, here. Yeah. Where we at? Two rock poles up there.
Changed to a mice tail. Got bit right away.
Yeah. Hang on to it. Let me photograph. Yeah. You coming down? All right, for Kerry.
First
First one.
That's a decent size.
Yeah. Nice. What'd you catch him on? You can whisper.
Mice tail.
Mice tail. Oh,
Right on the lip.
on the lip. All right. A good one.
Mice tail, guys.
Okay.
Right when I threw it out.
All right.
Oh.
Oops.
Yeah, barely on the lip.
All right.
All right.
Got it. Got you.
On to the next.
On to the next. What you have, honey?
I don't have any.
Big fish.
You got it, Eric?
He's going for it.
He's going for it?
Oh, now a little one came. He's in the way. Fuck. He went for it like 5 times.
How big is this sucker?
It's a huge one. Damn, I lost it. I think that's a rock. Damn, it went for it so many times.
Really?
Got him.
Oh, you caught one.
All right, Kerry.
I missed the big one though.
All right. Oh, you got him in that little shell. Okay, great. All right.
Oh, he went away.
It's alright.
The one that. Okay. All right. That video. Get rid of that one. About this picture of Kerry.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Whoa. Liam, 1 second. Okay, I gotta turn this off. I can't do both.
Give me the. I got it.
Okay, all right, can you?
Watch that. Stone, honey. It's not stable.
Okay.
Ooh, got my heart pumping right now.
There you go. Hey, Carrie, hand me the net. I'm gonna shut it down. Give me. I'm gonna shut down the recording.
No, here. It's okay. It's okay. Here.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Thanks for the heads up that he was cruising by. Thank you.
Good one, Carrie.
Whew. Damn. Let me catch my breath. All right, guys. Finally caught that big one. Heard the neighbors say they were cruising by. Then I saw him. Threw my jig.
That's Moby Dick.
Right on the lip.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish.
Right on the lip.
All right.
Check that out. Right on the lip.
Beautiful fish.
Oh, there it is.
Beautiful.
We're looking for him. We found him.
Nice.
Sierra Slammer, guys.
Woo.
Never changed it. Other big ones were chasing it. And we got him.
Now he has a headache. Beautiful.
I had some horrible netting skills on that one. But I think I got him on the third one. Alright, we'll be back. My mom just got a bite. There it is. There it is. You got it.
All right. What's a good one? Good job.
First one of the day.
You felt bigger.
First one of the day, and you weren't even paying attention.
The only way to fish.
Well, that's a weird looking one. No tail. Or a short tail.
Look at that.
That's weird looking. That's a weird looking trout.
at the back end of it.
Yeah, it has to exercise.
All right.
Nice.
I think he was on it.
The whole time, huh? It's number 2 for my mom.
Oh, how tiny. But strong. Oh, it's a baby.
I can't get to the angle on this one.
Good job, Mom.
Can you swallow?
Another hookup.
Oh, it's not that big. The one you let go.
Ooh. Wait. Take your time.
Huh?
Is it strong? Keep reeling.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think you let it go, honey.
I had nothing. I had nothing to do with it.
Still there. I
Stop
think.
He's still there. Come pull. Go ahead. Reel in.
It's going to the left.
There he is.
It's a baby one.
All right. That's okay. That's okay size. Bring him up over here. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Sure.
Looks like the night crawler's doing good.
Yeah.
Turn around. Let's see. I want to get a picture of you.
I see I saw almost 7 big ones cruise by. They'll look at the jig, but
Right there.
they're not really attacking it. All right.
Good one. Okay.
Oh, I see
That's
another
a
one.
good. That's a keeper.
I'll be back.
Oh, oh,
No, just put it up.
So that's about it for today at Lake George. My mom caught about 4. Kenny caught about 4. Released 1. I caught 3. Released 1 unintentionally. And caught the big one right here. Sierra slammers, night crawlers, mice tails. All right, till next time.